Okay, this time we've got another weighing task. I've made a simple balance scale from a coat hanger, an old coat hanger, and some ribbon. You can use string as well. A couple of buckets, exactly the same. It's important that the buckets or containers are the same so that the balance scale is balanced on either side. Okay, so you just tie the pieces of string to either side of the coat hanger and attach it at the same height on either side of the bucket. And then you need to find a few things from around the house that you could weigh on your balance scales to compare the weight to find out which is the heaviest and which is the lightest. So we'll start off with Pepper and Spider-Man. So you put Pepper in one side, there you go, Pepper, still there, and Spider-Man in that side. And then we look at the balance scale and we can tell that Spider-Man is heavier than Peppa Pig. Okay, we can tell that as this side of the balance scale has dropped lower, meaning the weight in this bucket is greater than this side. So Spider-Man is heavier than Peppa. Okay, take those out. We can swap them over. You can do it with all sorts of different items around the house. So you find lots of different pieces of food. So this time we'll put the raisins in this side. And the orange in this side. Try to keep it healthy. And look at the balance scale again. And this time you can see that this side has dropped lower, meaning that the weight in this bucket is heavier than the weight in this bucket. So the orange is heavier than the raisins. We can record that in a simple recording table. So you just need to record heavy things on one side and light things on the other. So from our balance scale this time we found out that the orange was heavier than the packet of raisins. So we just record that in there, then we're keeping a record of our findings from our heavy and light test. Okay, if you're doing it at home, try and get the children to verbalise that this is heavier than this and this is lighter than this, using those phrases: heavy, light, heavier, lighter, heaviest, lightest. Have a go at home. Hopefully you've all got a coat hanger and some ribbon or string laying around that you can make your own. If you haven't got a rail to hang it from, you can hang it from a door handle or the washing line outside. It'll be another good one as well. Just have to make sure it's not so much of a windy day. Good luck. Okay, so I've set up a simple addition task with some weighing scale. So we're practicing our weighing skills and our addition skills here as well. So the first thing you need to do is look at both of the numbers from the number sentence that we need to add together. So we've got 54 and 17 we're going to add together. So I've put those two numbers on some post-it notes and stuck them to two different tubs. And we're going to weigh out that amount of ingredients. So we're going to do 54 first. So we're going to put that tub on. Make sure that you put your scales back to 0. And we're going to measure 54 grams of rice out. You're counting how many scoops?
3.
We're watching this number. Look, we need this number to match this number up here, 54.
So we need a
okay.
5 and a 4.
5 and a 4. You tell me when it says.
You've done too far.
Not yet. Ready? Look, we've got 5 and a 3. Ready? 5 and 4. 54. So we've got 54 grams in this one. And in this one, how much do we need in this one?
17.
17 in this one. Okay, so are you going to measure 17 out this time? So scoop some in here until this number says 17. Oh, we've gone a bit too far, so we need to put some back. Look, we've gone 21. Good boy. 19. We need to take 2 more out. 1 more. Right. Ooh. Does that number match that number now? Is it 17?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we've got 54 grams in here and 17 grams in here. Now we need to add them together. So we can put 17 back on and we're going to pour in the 54. There
What
we go.
does that make?
What number does it make?
7 and a
7 and a 1. 71. So we're going to record that as our answer. 71. So 54 add 17 is 71. And then we'll pour it back in the tub.
No, you got a miss.
I've lost the label and start all over again. Have a go at home. See how you get on.